Hi everyone, this is Ushna Shah and you are watching me on Something Hot. And if you're hoping for an unfiltered interview where I may have said something I shouldn't have, then you're right. So tune in.
Talented, extremely beautiful, and extremely opinionated. All those three things rolled into one. Yet जब हम उनको टीवी पे आजकल देख रहे हैं तो her character is one of the meekest women around. ये बैलेंस कैसे हो रहा है? क्या हम इस किरदार से आइडेंटिफाई कर पा रहे हैं कि नहीं कर पा रहे? This is the first time I'm interviewing Ushna Shah and I'm really excited because I think it's going to be a really interesting interview. Ushna, welcome.
Thank you so much, finally.
Finally.
This has been years coming.
It has, it has, it has. And you've done some amazing work in the last few
Thank
years.
you so much.
I think your breakthrough projects have to be Bashir Momin, and then there was Bala, and there was Alif Allah और इंसान, and amazing काम आपने किया है, amazing actor. And we've had conversations over the years, इधर उधर.
We run into each other
all
over
the time.
pedicures and here
Yes,
and there.
yes, absolutely. So let's just dive straight into Bande Ek Door Se first.
Sure,
Because
yes.
that's right now what people are watching
Right.
and what people want to talk about. Tell me, Mahi.
जी.
So, Mahi का जो character है, do you in any way relate to her? How do you explain her? Because लोग कह रहे हैं कि जी इतनी submissive है, इतनी meek है, is she for real? Is she a doormat? I feel that on some level she isn't a doormat, but I'll let you answer.
Okay, so before I begin, and my God, मुझे इतनी दफ़ा सोच के बोलना पड़ता है because मैं जो कहूँगी वो controversial होगा और ये भी होगा. Basically, पाकिस्तानी ड्रामों में unfortunately हमें ज़्यादा डायनामिक नहीं मिलता है फीमेल कैरेक्टर्स के लिए ख़ास तौर पे. सो आपके पास वही 4 या 5 डायमेंशंस होती हैं और आपको उन्हीं कैरेक्टर ट्रेट्स को लेके बार बार री करना होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, एंड बिकॉज पाकिस्तान में वी आर नॉट येट शोइंग डिफरेंट शेड्स ऑफ वुमेन एंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वुमेन. इट्स यूजुअली लड़की, शादी, घरेलू लड़की, मशरकी लड़की और वो सारी वैल्यूज़ उस लड़की में. अब उन सब वैल्यूज़ में से एक चीज़ जो ख़ास तौर पर माओ को और सासों को और हस्बैंड्स को पसंद है वो है सबमिसिवनेस. और वो हमारे स्क्रिप्ट्स में और डायलॉग्स में है. अब उसको हम कितना जस्टिफाई कर सकते हैं वो एक एक्टर और डायरेक्टर और राइटर पे भी थोड़ा सा एक चैलेंज आ जाता है. सो जहाँ तक माही इज़ कंसर्न, शी इज़ टू अ ग्रेट एक्सटेंट सबमिसिव. शी सबमिसिव इन द सेंस कि वो बहुत ताबेदार है. शी इज़ वेरी फैमिली ओरिएंटेड. सो वो उम्र की बदतमीज़ी नहीं बर्दाश्त करती है. शी इज़ हिज बेस्ट फ्रेंड.
Right.
लेकिन उसका मिजाज है धीमा और वो फैमिली को खुश रखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट समझती है बिकॉज फैमिली को जोड़ना और खुश रखना एक औरत की ही तो जिम्मेदारी होती है.
ये माही कह रही है कि उष्णा कह रही
ये
है?
उष्णा के बिकॉज एक औरत की ही जिम्मेदारी होती है घर बचाना और माफ़ करना और ये. और इस सेंस में वो एक ऑर्फन बच्ची है. वो एक डोमिनेटिंग घर में आई हुई है और उसके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि वो अपनी माँ को भी खुश रखे जो उसी ख़ानदान से है और सबको खुश रखे और घर उसकी वजह से ना टूटे. तो शी इज़ bardastifying a lot more than Ushna would.
Right.
But I can relate to her in the sense that she wants to preserve her family, and I think that's important to me also. And at the same time, preserve her dignity.
Right.
Because उस बेचारी की dignity भी तो काफी हद तक जा रही है ना. She's
Compromise
married
हो
to
रही है ना?
someone. Yeah,
बिल्कुल,
exactly.
बिल्कुल.
बिल्कुल compromise हो रही है. So that's as far as I can relate to her.
So there's a big narrative around should actors be responsible for the roles they take, right? बहुत ज़्यादा टेलीविजन पे भी बैन्स लग रहे हैं, पैमरा भी लगा रहा है, and you know the right kind of content and the wrong kind of content, the right kind of constructive characters, destructive characters. Do you think that an actor should be held responsible for the roles that he or she undertakes?
I think to a certain degree, yes. If what an actor is doing is promoting hate speech or bigotry, and the project in itself is promoting hate speech or bigotry, then 100% yes, the actor has to be held accountable. aside from that, I mean, this is our job. Our job is to play characters,
Yeah.
and art imitates life. So we are sort of portraying what's in the society.
Hmm.
As far as Pakistan's concerned, we're very, very limited.
Hmm.
And we have to make money also, right? We have bills to pay, we have rents to pay, and
Yeah, बिल्कुल.
stomachs to feed. So you can't, you know, read a lot of comments कि आप फिर ऐसे roles क्यों करती हैं? बाजी जब दूसरे रोल्स लिखे जाते हैं तो माशाल्लाह से बैन हो जाते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
जिंदगी तमाशा being the prime example. I want to do such roles. I would love to do the kind of roles Tabu and Shabana Azmi did throughout their careers. I would love to do the kind of roles my sister did throughout her career in the 90s.
बिल्कुल.
You know, जो अशफाक अहमद के वो इतने controversial topics पे जो touch करके करती थी.
And
She
you're
did one
talking about
drama.
Irsa.
I'm talking about Irsa, and she was very, very picky and choosy about the kind of roles that she did. But right now, we just don't have an abundance of these versatile characters that we get to play. I would love to play some drug-addicted person who's going through rehab and reinventing herself or anything. I mean, I played a dancing girl in Alif Allah.
Haan.
That's pretty bold.
Right.
Not a lot of people would go in that
Haan,
direction,
haan.
from a beggar to a dancing girl.
Haan.
So it's not like we don't want to. We don't have that many options. So we can just play with what we have. That being said, there is of course sort of a moral responsibility that comes with that. Like if we take Bashar Momin for example, तो Bashar Momin मेरा breakout career था, role था,
Breakout
और
role
मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ उस role की, and I'm very happy that I got to do it. लेकिन looking back, तब मैं मतलब 22 साल की एक बच्ची थी. Now looking back, you know, वो domestic violence को glorify कर रहा था. वो Beauty and the Beast पे based था. So it was जो मैसेज यंग लड़कियों को उस ड्रामे से आ रहा था वो ये था कि अगर आप एक मर्द का डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस और अब्यूज़ बर्दाश्त करेंगी तो वो बदल जाएगा. आई डोंट वांट टू गिव दैट मैसेज एनीमोर. सो नाउ एज अ ग्रोन वुमन, अब मुझे दोबारा उस तरह का कोई स्क्रिप्ट आए तो मैं इस चीज़ को ग्लोरीफाई नहीं करूँगी. मेरा दिल नहीं मानता. सो एक हद तक ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, लेकिन हमें ऑप्शंस भी तो मिले ना आगे से. वी डोंट हैव द ऑप्शंस.
तो ऑफ कोर्स वो बात हम मानते हैं कि जी अगर आप साइन कर रहे हो तो यू टेक ओनरशिप ऑफ योर रोल. नहीं कर रहे हो इफ़ यू फील अ सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि यार ये कैरेक्टर बहुत ही प्रॉब्लमैटिक है, मैं आई डोंट एग्री विद इट्स आर्च, मुझे नहीं करना. इसके अलावा भी एक रोल है ऑफ फीमेल फिगर्स इन द इंडस्ट्री. हम बहुत ज़्यादा बात हुई है पिछले साल खास तौर पे सेक्शुअल हरासमेंट पे. You've been around for 7 years, which I wouldn't say is so long कि आपने पूरा वो देखा.
Feels like a century.
But it feels like a century. उस पर भी हम आएंगे. But what is your experience of working on different sets? आपने हर किस्म के production houses के साथ भी काम किया है. You've worked with a range of actors, a range of crews and casts and everything. In your opinion, how is the Pakistani drama industry to work in?
Evolve हो रही है बहुत हद तक, लेकिन एक underlying patriarchy और sexism बहुत हद तक है. Oh my God, बहुत हद तक है. आप किसी भी सेट पे जाएं और हर किस्म की ख़वातीन से you know I get to work with, जो थोड़े धीमे मिजाज की हैं, जो थोड़ी outspoken हैं, जो जिनका exposure थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, जो feminists हैं, जो so there's all sorts of women you get to work with. I am the opinionated sort of person who needs things done a certain way. और मैंने एक चीज़ नोट किया कि औरत का behavior जैसा भी हो, उसके साथ connotations हमेशा negative लगती हैं. So अगर मैं demanding हूँ या मुझे हर चीज़ time पे चाहिए या मुझे ये चीज़ set चाहिए या मेरे साथ एक और खातून है उनको ये चाहिए, उनका नाम थोड़ा negatively ले लिया जाता है. You know, कहा जाता है कि ये bossy हैं या ये shrill हैं या ये लड़ती हैं. Whereas उससे 5 गुना ज़्यादा बिहेवियर आपका कोई हीरो शो करे या आपका कोई सीनियर मेल एक्टर शो करे तो नहीं, वो तो सीनियर हैं और वो डिमांडिंग है और उनको तो चाहिए ये, वो प्रॉब्लमैटिक नहीं है, उस हद तक नहीं है.
तो सेक्सिज्म तो है.
सेक्सिज्म तो 10,000 million% है. दूसरा, as far as younger male contemporaries is concerned, there is a dearth. Heroes कम है as compared to heroines. लड़कियाँ ज़्यादा इस फील्ड में आती हैं. So उसकी वजह से जो हीरोज स्पेशली क्लिक हो गए हैं वो कम है. सो हालांकि उनका काम हमसे कम होता है देन द वुमेन.
बिल्कुल.
बिकॉज हमारे अगर 400 सीन्स हैं अगर मेरे, तो उनके 300 समथिंग होंगे. 100 औरत का हमेशा ज़्यादा काम होता है. ड्रामा रिवॉल्व भी हमारे इर्द गिर्द करता है, बट दे गेट पेड मोर as per the day.
Oh, do they?
जो
all of them.
All of them. The statistic is that they get paid more. So obviously if the woman's a much bigger star and he's a lesser star, then he won't make as much. But अगर आप compare करें exact contemporaries को, तो the men make more money. and that's unfair.
I don't
And
think it's fair at all because
it's-
women are driving the
we are driving
industry.
it. We have to do more makeup. We have to come earlier. We have to shoot more scenes. We have to emote more. हम कितना रोती हैं? That's not easy. We have to do a lot more work in this industry, and then and the kind of things we deal with to get into it. And so it's definitely harder for us.
What do you mean by that? The kind of things.
I mean, okay, so I get asked this a lot about couch casting and whatnot.
Yeah.
I think it's different for everyone. I was one of the lucky ones because मेरी पूरी family जो है is
Right.
affiliated in showbiz, and I
Right.
come from an upbringing where I wasn't desperate to get into the industry.
Right.
A lot of people come from all sorts of walks of life because they need to.
Huh.
So I got lucky. I signed my first role over Facebook. You know, it was a family friends production. But I see a lot of girls being exploited, and it's not necessarily by the top level people. It's about sort of the lower tier that they have to go through
Right.
to get the meetings and the
Anyway,
auditions.
yeah.
Exactly. So those people tend to exploit these girls. So a lot of them go through a lot of that. And then even the kind of sexism we deal with, yeah, it's on such a micro level. मतलब आते जाते कोई बात ऐसी कर देगा, कोई comment ऐसा पास कर देगा जो इस point पे हमारी society में funny है, you know, लेकिन वो अब funny नहीं है,
नहीं रहा।
you know, so sexism इतना ज़्यादा है कि I don't even think most men realize कि ये चीज़ inappropriate है या ये बात आपने एक औरत को comment नहीं कर सकते ऐसा या ऐसी बात नहीं कर सकते. So वो rampant है. It's tough for women everywhere, not just in showbiz.
Absolutely.
हर industry में it's tougher for us.
और फिर एक certain look maintain करना वो भी एक issue है मर्द जैसे मर्जी although I think even the men are a lot into fitness now than they were 10
They
years
are,
ago अब तो खैर
But
craze हो गया
I
है
mean, for God's sake, अगर आप 34 पे एक फीमेल एक्ट्रेस रिटायर हो रही है,
हाँ।
because मतलब एक हीरो 50s में जा रहा है और उसके साथ आपने 22 साल की लड़की रखनी है,
हाँ।
तो हमारा तो करियर स्पैन वैसे ही श्रिंक हो गया.
बिल्कुल
Right? और फिर on top of that you have to maintain that look, you have to
Yeah.
stay in shape. और मैं तो एक खाने की शौकीन औरत हूँ
हाँ।
जिसको PCOS भी है और प्री डायबिटिक भी हूँ, so I have to work so much harder
हाँ
to maintain. So it's definitely tougher. Yeah,
it's tough
It's tough.
it's a tough field
It's a tough field.
For
It's
sure.
a vain field.
हाँ it's tough but it's good as well आपको एक दफ़ा we were talking and you said that you know मुझे लगता है जैसे मैंने हर रोल कर लिया है
Yeah.
and अब हर चीज़ जो है वो एक repetition है और मैं
Yeah.
मतलब है कि do you ever feel like okay
All the
I'm so
time.
done with it and
All the time. I feel like it, but I take it as a challenge.
मतलब saturation exhaustion तो उसमें से
Exactly.
बंदा निकले कैसे
निकले कैसे? Well, मैं बहुत कम काम करती हूँ because of this. But no, it gets redundant because जब मैंने शुरू किया था काम, so मेरा exposure पाकिस्तानी इंडस्ट्री से था जब मेरी बहन काम करती थी. और this was in the 90s. वो अब भी काम करती हैं, but when she was playing heroine roles in the 90s, और वो single plays होते थे. So I saw her do roles like Parcham, which was a beautiful short play जहाँ उन्होंने अंग्रेजी partition से पहले का ड्रामा था, and she didn't want to salute to the British flag, so she replaced it with the Pakistani.
Right.
वो छतों पे टाप रही हैं, and she was
हाँ.
doing this crazy, amazing
हाँ,
serial. Then
हाँ.
there was one called Catwalk, जिन पे उनको black face में डाला, पता नहीं क्यों, हालांकि इतनी खूबसूरत dusky actresses होती हैं, talented, but they made her very dark, and they showed कि इनके रिश्ते नहीं आ रहे, which was a very important topic in society.
Right.
So and Mama used to do Shaq Saabs and Bano G's plays all the time.
All the time.
Bhoot Nikla and all these.
हाँ.
So I wanted to do that, and
हाँ.
I grew up in Canada, so I wanted to do something like Kill Bill and you know, and then I saw Humsafar, and that was my only Pakistani drama that I'd seen, and I thought ये तो मैं कर सकती हूँ.
हाँ.
And I came and did it. पहला serial, दूसरा, तीसरा, and then they all became like Humsafar.
हम सफर yeah
And so now मेरे साथ challenge ये होता है कि मैं इसको reinvent कैसे करूँ, मैं इसको और dimension कैसे डालूँ. Like जब मैंने बला किया तो it was a beautifully written script, but I didn't want to play a one-dimensional evil character.
वो
So
demonize भी
मैंने
कर देते हैं ना हमारे writers
villainize कर देते हैं.
हाँ.
So what I did is, and she wrote it so well, Zinjabil, and I got to play with it. I love that my directors and writers let me play with my characters. मैंने उसको फिर like जो textbook sociopathic और narcissist traits होते हैं वो दे दिए, which made her relatable and kind of natural. Then when I did Alif Allah, I studied beggars for like a month. I wanted to walk like them and talk like them. I learned that dialect, the Punjabi one, properly. I mimicked them for like weeks, and that's how I got to that. So इस तरह के जब मुझे challenges मिलते हैं, I try to rise to the occasion because बहुत कम मिलते हैं.
right
But कम मिलते हैं.
कम
Like
मिलते
even
हैं.
with Mahi, मैं उसके साथ कितना खेल सकती हूँ. उसको
मैंने
मैं
वो
एक हद
पूछने
तक
लगी थी कि कितना खेला माही के साथ.
माही के साथ मैं एक हद तक ही खेल सकती हूँ. I can't make her this crazy whatever.
हाँ.
But I try to give her that dynamic कि you know अगर सबा हमीद की एक स्वीट सी बेटी है, ड्रामा वाली सबा हमीद, और एहसन खान की बेस्ट फ्रेंड है उमर की, तो वो कैसी होगी. So I try to do that, but again एक limited दायरा होता है to play with it.
हाँ. तो was there anything about माही जो आपने चेंज किया हो या इम्प्रोवाइज किया हो या
Uh,
ऐड किया हो? I can't see you not adding to a role.
I always add to roles, but you know, I shot her what, like 8 months ago?
हाँ.
So I'm trying to remember what I added to her. I tried to माही के साथ मैंने कोशिश की कि उसको एक धीमापन दूँ जो मेरी बड़ी बहन महा में बहुत है, तो मैंने माही उस पर काफ़ी बेस किया है.
हाँ.
मेरी बहन है महा जो मेरी फैमिली सबकी फेवरेट है, मेरी भी, बिकॉज मशहूर है हमारे घर में कि उनको डांटो भी, मतलब तो वो बड़ी है, लेकिन उनको जब बचपन में डांट भी पड़ती थी तो वो आंख उठा के नहीं देखती. शी वॉज वेरी वेरी, बट द वे जब उस तरह वो समझाती है, उसके बोलने का अंदाज, उसकी बात करने का अंदाज भी माही का काफ़ी महा जैसा है. माही महा. And then I made her, what did I do to her? I played her as she was written, more or less. I just made her very sort of dhimi and but sweet and yeah. She just sort of came to me. I don't know what I did.
It's a very simple story.
It's a very simple
अच्छी
story.
बात है कि किसी के अगर पेशेंस नहीं है तो शायद वो पेशेंस लूज कर दे कि यार क्या हो रहा
I
है.
tried to give her a lot of micro expressions.
हाँ.
So because उसको इतनी चीजें छुपानी थी इस पूरे ड्रामे में, वो हर जगह से अपनी फीलिंग्स छुपा रही है. So I tried to play with like micro expressions and I don't know अगर आपको स्क्रीन पे वो कैच अप करते हो कि नहीं.
बिल्कुल करते
But the split expression, the split pain in the eyes and hide that. So more than creating her to be too different, I tried to really show her pain as much as I could while being masked.
मेरा ख्याल है कि although Mahi is a simpler character than Roshni, but it's tougher to play a Mahi than a Roshni.
No,
because
100%,
obviously
yeah.
it's tougher
I think
because
so.
the expression देना and like I said,
सब कुछ कह देना ना कहे बगैर was the challenge with Mahi, and I really enjoyed that. That was fun. Yeah, I like that. My director really liked it also. He was happy.
He was happy.
He calls me after every episode like I love it. Like he's a great director.
एक सवाल मुझे हमेशा हमारे ड्रामे देख के आता है कि जो एक कैरेक्टर की स्टाइलिंग है, फॉर एग्जांपल स्पेशली फॉर वुमेन, वो एक्टर पे डज दैट रिस्पांसिबिलिटी फॉल ऑन द एक्टर या कोई टीम होती है वार्डरोब की जो दे रही होती है या कोई गाइडेंस होती है या क्या होता है?
सारे इंडस्ट्री सीक्रेट्स में बता.
हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स यही मकसद है.
डिपेंड्स. जब मैंने अलिफ अल्लाह और इंसान किया, दैट वाज अ मेगा प्रोजेक्ट. सो उसकी एक चीज वाज ऑन Bhabhi and the department.
Right.
They did the entire wardrobe. I had some
When
say
you say
in
Bhabhi,
it.
you mean
Momin
Momin
Attaraiz.
Attaraiz.
She was very very involved.
हाँ.
And so they मतलब पूरे look tests और वो सब कुछ हुआ. मेरी कुछ एंड में जाके थोड़ी से थी, एक दफ़ा कैरेक्टर बन गया, but it was especially the initial Reena Begum sort of thing was all
वही कॉस्ट्यूम टाइप भी तो था ना.
It was a full costume drama.
Costume drama.
Usually एक brief मिलती है और एक कलर पैलेट्स मिलते हैं, and I usually just get that done from like a designer.
ठीक है.
And at this point in my career, it's on me how I want to make it.
हाँ.
Directors tend to trust you, so एक brief दे देते हैं कि आप इस तरह से उसको बनाएं, and वो बन जाता है. And then you think ऐसे कपड़े and ऐसा सब कुछ.
अच्छा, हम इंडस्ट्री सीक्रेट्स तो डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, बट आई वांट टू नो उष्णा सीक्रेट्स. आई वांट टू नो उष्णा सीक्रेट्स. मुझे ये बताएं कि डू यू फील दैट इतना अच्छा काम करने के बावजूद और इतने साल इंडस्ट्री में काम करने के बाद आर यू एट दैट पोजीशन वेयर यू शुड हैव बीन, या इससे बहुत ऊपर होना चाहिए था, या कहीं होना चाहिए था जहाँ नहीं हो? How do you feel about your position in the industry right now? Are you a little underappreciated?
Do you think I'm underappreciated?
I think so.
I think so too.
मुझे लगता है.
I think so. I just think I haven't. So I've when I moved here, there was a huge culture clash to a point where I changed my accent, even my normal accent's this when I talk to people, but, you know. So there's a huge culture clash, and I didn't really have many people guiding me. I was by myself. My family wasn't here, and I didn't. And so एक तो एक इतनी sort of dog eat dog industry में आ जाना, ऊपर से एक और मुल्क से आना, और अकेले होना, and then like not understanding the politics, and then being as opinionated and headstrong as I am, a bit too honest for my own good. So I guess I didn't kiss the right butts. initially, so I rubbed people the wrong way, and that sort of bombarded me with some, issues, and then after that, I think maybe I just wasn't as great on sets as I should have been because I was so used to a certain level of professionalism. So when I came here, initially I was just so impatient because I couldn't understand कि उस तरीके से काम क्यों नहीं हो रहा because I was willing to give that dedication, which was सुबह 4 बजे 6 बजे उठने वाली and all of that, and so I didn't adjust well, and that sort of didn't work in my favor, I think. And then फिर मैं disheart भी हो गई कुछ roles ऐसे देख के that I just did not want to play anymore, so मैंने बहुत gaps लेना शुरू कर दिए, and then I didn't network. I don't really hang out with a lot of people in the industry. I didn't make friends there. I stick to sort of my people outside, and so I never saw myself as like someone who fits in the industry. And then I think in the couple last year especially with like the tweets that happened, which were like 99% of them were either misquoted or exaggerated or just overreacted to. Some I'll take complete responsibility for, but then that sort of made me that person in the media that it sort of took away from the acting for a bit. So, and that made me back off, like, acha maine ab nahi karna kaam, or, it scared me. So, yeah, I think these factors sort of kept me from reaching the potential I should have, project-wise. And it is unfair, but then at the same time, shayad mere mein itni drive nahi thi to do all those things to get to, like, I've achieved quite a bit. I'm really happy about where I am.
Yeah, absolutely.
But I feel like I don't know, I feel like I've done enough work, and I've worked hard enough at the acting part that there should have been.
कितना ज़रूरी है to kiss the right asses and to PR and network
maybe
in the right
just to be a nicer person. Well, maybe it wasn't kissing it. Maybe I'm just not a nice enough person. No.
Okay.
I think ज़रूरी है.
You're not the Mahi in real life.
I'm not the Mahi. No, I am. I'm lazy and
मुश्किल है ना industry
मुश्किल
आपको
है, and
अपना
I'm also a bit of, you wouldn't think, but I'm also a huge homebody. I'm like an introverted extrovert. So I like my space. I don't want to spend extra time on conversing about things that don't interest me. I'm very, very closed off like that. So it is mushkil, and you have to have a bit of a more hyper bubbly personality. I'm someone, and I'm also someone who's always really been more interested in direction too.
अच्छा.
So like for me, if I'm on a set, I'm observing, I want to direct, I want to produce, I want to create other kind of content. तो जब आप इतना पैशनेट नहीं रहते उस चीज़ के बारे में जिसमें आप हैं, तो वो चीज़ भी आपको थोड़ा रिजेक्ट करती है. So मैं इतनी पैशनेट नहीं थी जितना मुझे होना चाहिए था. I was more interested in the arty side of things,
तो what is the right way? I mean, for an actor, क्या आपके हर एक्टर पे एक फिल्टर लगना चाहिए और एक केयरफुली कंस्ट्रक्टेड पर्सोना होना चाहिए जो दुनिया देखे कि हाँ भी ये है, इसका
सुबह 2 बजे ट्वीट ना करें जो भी जहन में हो, अगर आपकी नींद
शायद वहाँ ये
नींद ना पूरी हो, because like for example like that pizza boy thing, Amna, that was sarcasm. That was literally like कि जब मैंने उसे कहा बेटा मर्द बनो शाबाश, तो मैंने क्यों कहा, मैं अपनी तरफ से एक इशू हाईलाइट कर रही हूँ, and I got turned into like this demon. So be very careful, because इस attitude से आए industry में कि nobody's your friend. No offense, especially not the media. And if you say something, the negative thing will sell more. So आपकी कोई भी बात किसी भी तरह बिगाड़ के एक हेडलाइन बना सकती है, because वो बिकेगी. आप एक टूल हैं. Be very careful how you present yourself.
That's
what
such
you
a pity, because फिर आप अपना you can't be yourself.
You can't be yourself. Anything you say, anything, whether it's good or bad, can be misconstrued. Anything. So फिर आपका activism कहाँ रहे? And it's scary because it's so difficult to even care about causes in this country. Like if I'm passionate about animal abuse,
and you are,
and I am, तो मुझे गालियाँ पड़ेंगी कि यहाँ इंसानों के साथ ही हो रहा है, आपको कुत्तों की पड़ी है. अब एक चीज़ के बारे में मैं बचपन से passionate हूँ, मुझे उस चीज़ पे भी गालियाँ पड़ेंगी. They don't spare you. They're looking to, and it's sad कि अब media ऐसा हो गया है.
लेकिन खाली media नहीं attack करता, अब तो citizen journalism है ना. अगर आप if you're tweeting something, it's not just the media, it's the people.
It's everyone, all netizens.
Yeah, netizens हैं और media will pick up what is trending. I mean, कोई भी अगर.
But why are they so negative? I want to know. When I really would like to know why there's so much hate out there. Not just towards me, I see हर एक के साथ है. That makes me feel a little better, because I thought सिर्फ मेरे साथ था, and I realized सबके साथ है. There's so much anger.
नहीं, कुछ होली काउज हैं उनके खिलाफ कुछ नहीं होता.
कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं, कोई उनके खिलाफ भी कुछ ना कुछ गन
I
दिखा
don't know. I
जाता
think
है.
we just live in a very negative world right now. मेरे ख्याल है बहुत ज़रूरी है उसमें से positivity निकालना.
But our country a little bit more than like I follow so many foreign celebrities. उनके नीचे इतना गन नहीं लिखा होता.
इसलिए कि दो चीज़ें आप उनके किटी में से निकाल देते हो ना, एक रिलीजन और एक सेक्स. So उस पर कमेंट्री नहीं होगी कि आपने पहना क्या है, नंगे हो, एसेट्रा एसेट्रा, और इस पे नहीं होगी कि
But the irony is जिनको हमारे liberalism से मसला है वो हमें follow भी करते हैं और वो फिर जाके मियाँ खलीफा को भी follow करते हैं और वो फिर जाके कटरीना कैफ को भी follow करते हैं. लेकिन हम अगर खुदा ना खास्ता लिबरल हैं और हमारा ब्रॉटअप अगर ऐसा है और हमारी चॉइस अगर ऐसी है
तो
तो
बस फिर आप भुगते हैं.
तकलीफ होती है और फॉलो भी करते हैं.
हाँ.
गालियाँ भी देते हैं.
Of course,
follow
of
you.
course.
All the haters follow you. So it's just
So जहाँ filter ज़रूरी है वहाँ block भी ज़रूरी है. That you
Yeah,
have to block the noise at some point. You have to block the clutter and you have to block the noise. ये वो.
absolutely, absolutely. Otherwise you'll go crazy.
You go crazy.
Yeah.
अच्छा, बंदे एक डोर से back to the drama.
That got serious.
From life to drama, and they both coincide all the time. Back to drama. बंदे एक डोर से तो बड़ा simple project है. इसके बाद क्या है? When do we see you on the big screen?
You are going to see me on the big screen very
हाँ.
soon, inshallah. I am about to shoot a film. I can't disclose the name because it's sort of in the works. And now I think our hero is also in the talks.
हाँ.
He was locked, but I'm not sure. But it's a crime drama. It's just the kind of role that I've been wanting to do for a while. My role is not that big in it. The woman's
Okay.
role is not that big in it,
Okay.
unfortunately. I mean, she's the only main lead female, but it's mostly about the guy. And it's actually really cool. And I will say this, I play a cricketer.
Oh,
I'm
nice.
so excited.
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
Is that why you're in the gym all day?
No, no, because it's not really about cricket. It's a
Acha.
crime drama, but so it gives me motivation. Ki I'm playing an athlete.
Ah,
to
good,
get
good.
in
That's
this shape.
excellent. That's exciting to hear.
I'm excited to
That's
play.
exciting
And it's
to
a
hear.
cool role. It's a strong woman's role.
Haan.
It's not like a commercially film. It's a very
Haan,
arty film,
haan.
so I'm excited.
And who's your dream hero to be cast with? I love the expression you're giving, but please note करें उष्णा का expression dream hero पे. ऐसे कौन से actors हैं?
I know them all.
नहीं ऐसे कौन से actors हैं जिनके साथ आप कहो कि यार
I
big
think the
screen पे आना है
benchmark
तो
right now is
I want-
obviously Fawad.
हाँ.
Who doesn't want to work with him? Just because he seems like such an awesome guy.
Yeah.
Like he just, I've met him like once or twice, and just such a gentleman. And I think he's represented us so well internationally. The guy is so cool, and so he just exudes class and dignity. So I think, I mean, I'm a huge Fawad Khan fan for that reason alone. And then of course Fahd Mustafa, because he's my boss. He's the Big Bang co-owner, so I call him boss. Man,
And he's the boss. I
he's
mean,
the boss.
he's
और
the
उनकी
boss.
टिकटें बिकती हैं. If I want to be in a film, I want it to top the box office.
Yeah.
So hell yeah, I'd love to work with both
हाँ.
of them. The two Fs.
And उसके नीचे?
There's nobody I'm that. यार कोई भी आ जाए कोई अच्छी फिल्म बना ले. Anyone. And there's so many new people that are doing such a great job. I can't think of anybody. In
You're
particular.
open to all options.
Yeah,
and
more or
open to
less
all
open to all
choices.
options.
कोई ऐसे roles हैं that उष्णा शाह would say यार ये this I'm not gonna touch this. ये मैं नहीं करूँगी.
I don't know. I don't think I want to play the abused chick anymore.
है ना?
I'm done with that.
I'm happy to hear that.
I don't want to, like, man, I gotta pay the bills. So, yeah, maybe I'll bring chai in a couple of times.
चाय बहुत कंज्यूम होती है वैसे हमारे ड्रामा में. कितनी चाय ना, हर कुछ भी हो चाय की प्याली जरूर आती है.
आप फ्रेश हो जाए चाय बना.
आप फ्रेश हो जाए मैं चाय याद आ रहे हैं ये है ना एक ड्रामा. आप फ्रेश हो जाए मैं चाय बनाती हूँ.
Yeah, no, I just don't want to be the bichari ladki anymore. I'm so sick of it. But then I don't want to play the black and white negative role either. Because या आप full बिचारी हैं या आप full बुरी हैं.
Full vixen है.
Vixen है,
man
like-
eater और house
Yeah,
breaker.
bro, and I've tried to even downplay the vixen roles. मैंने एक दो negative भी किए हैं.
हाँ.
उनको मैंने कोशिश की है. I love my role in Cheek. मेरा जो guest role था.
अच्छा था.
हालांकि वो
बिल्कुल.
submissive था, but I got to play a girl with a lot of hasrat in it.
Yeah.
And I love that. That role was quiet, but it had dimension. I was very happy. Zanjabil, man, she's amazing. But yeah, I'm sick of playing the bichari. Like, I want to kick some butt now, you know?
तो मौका मिलेगा ना?
Yeah, but I want to like do some action stuff. Like, I'm
हाँ.
a strong girl. I want to kick some butt. I want to play something crazy and amazing. Or, you know what I really want to do? आपने Us देखी है?
देखिए.
That is like my ultimate dream role. I would love to play somebody with multiple personality disorder. मुझे अगर कोई chance मिल जाए screen पे आने का जहाँ मैं मुख्तलिफ characters एक frame में play कर सकूँ, उसमें जो होमवर्क जाएगा और जो मेहनत जाएगी, I want to do that.
So you need a challenge now.
I need a
basically.
challenge.
कोई ऐसा रोल है अभी जो ड्रामे चल रहे हैं जो आपको देख के कि यार आई विश ये मैंने किया होता है, मतलब दिस इज अ रोल आई वांटेड टू डू?
Yes. I auditioned for it और मुझे नहीं मिला.
ओहो,
और मुझसे ज़्यादा डिजर्विंग एक्ट्रेस को मिल गया.
अच्छा चलो ये
और
भी
वो था चुड़ैल्स में जुगनू का रोल यास्रा रिजवी ने जो
अच्छा।
किया, और वो बिल्कुल परफेक्ट थी उस रोल के लिए.
हाँ
और मेरे ख्याल में मेरी ज़िंदगी का ये पहला ऑडिशन होगा.
हाँ
I was not used to auditioning, but आसिम ने मुझे ऑडिशन किया and he did it very professionally, and वो मुझे नहीं मिला. और वो उसे किया कि मुझे नहीं मिला because वो यास्रा has done such a good job.
या
But that I would have loved to play something like
Something
that.
like that,
Yeah, yeah,
हाँ.
that was a cool role.
That's true. That's true.
That's a cool role.
That was a cool
That's
role.
a role I would like to play.
But very graciously admitted that you know it was played extremely well by Yasra.
I mean, I think they all did such a good job. Mirbano and
हाँ,
Sana and
बिल्कुल.
everybody. I think they're just such good
Chudels
actors.
will go down in history.
Yeah,
बिल्कुल.
it will. No, we need content like that.
हाँ
But again, अगर आप देखें कि ये content पाकिस्तानी नहीं है, इसको जी ने fund किया है.
हाँ
ये
because
पैसे
कैसे
इंडिया ने
चलेगा?
लगाए हैं.
हाँ जी.
तो हम क्यों नहीं इस तरह के कंटेंट पे पैसे लगा सकते? टैलेंट है पाकिस्तान में बना.
आपका ख्याल है कि हमारी कौम जो है वो तैयार है ऐसे कंटेंट देखने के
हमारी
लिए?
कौम ने देखा नहीं चुड़ैल्स?
Well, I mean, online viewership बहुत कम है compared to television viewership.
हमारी कौम वही कौम है जो एक ज़माने में जो पाकिस्तान का जो गोल्डन एरा था तो सबसे अच्छे ड्रामे देखती थी. पढ़ी लिखी कौम है जो मरीना खान के ड्रामे और वो उस ज़माने के ड्रामे देखती. वही कौम है. उनको हमने एजुकेट करना है ना. सो हमें अगर हम जो अथॉरिटीज़ हैं वो एक चांस दे दें और हम एजुकेट करना शुरू कर दें तो हम अपनी कौम को ग्रूम कर सकते हैं मासेस वगैरह को टू लाइक गुड कंटेंट. आप अपग्रेड होते हैं ना लोग, हम कर सकते हैं.
हमें करना चाहिए.
हमें करना चाहिए.
Maybe without the expletives and
The what?
the गालियाँ.
Galia had a flavor. I would like to be able to swear on screen. That'd be
हाँ.
fun. Yeah, that'd
What else would you like to do on
So,
screen?
I mean, oh God, none of that. But yeah, I mean, it'd be cool. Like, I wanted to show things that actually happen in, for example, boarding schools. And, you know, I wanted to highlight on a lot of real stuff. We don't make real stuff as much anymore. Actual things that girls and guys go through, actual experiences that they have. We bleep it and we act like कि होता नहीं है.
हाँ बिल्कुल हम सैनिटाइज कर देते हैं.
हम सैनिटाइज कर देते हैं और फिर आपको एक पॉलिश प्रोडक्ट मिलता है जिस पे लोग कहते हैं कि दिस इज नॉट रियल. ओके.
Well, it's a double-edged sword. ये
It is,
इसी चीज़ को ख़त्म कर सकते हैं कि it's a double-edged sword. आपका Ashna, on a parting note, what is your advice for girls who come into the industry now? मैं देख रही हूँ और मैं एक brief सा recap ज़रूर देना चाहूँगी कि जितनी लड़कियों को हम देखते हैं अब जो आ रही हैं, they're extremely raw ones, जो एक दो ड्रामे उन्होंने किए हैं, they're all looking the same. They all want to get things done to their face so that their lips are a little plumper and their skins are a little lighter.
Yeah.
They all have the same blow dries. They all have the same dispositions. उनके लिए क्या आपकी राय होगी that how do they stand out in this मेला?
Yeah, सबसे पहली चीज़ तो I have to say I don't judge anyone who gets work done, you know. I'm going to need to get some things pulled eventually. So there's nothing wrong with looking your
And
best.
it's okay to do
it's
it.
okay
Absolutely.
to look the best version of yourself. But if you're altering yourself to look like a completely different person, then there's something wrong there. And eventually everyone does start looking the same. So, you know, जैसे फैशंस के ट्रेंड्स आते जाते हैं, आपकी ब्यूटी का ट्रेंड नहीं होना चाहिए. आपके फीचर्स एक ट्रेंड नहीं है. दे आर लाइक एवरलास्टिंग थिंग्स दैट गॉड इज गिवन यू. सो उसके साथ जो कुछ करना भी है तो प्लीज़ एक हद तक करें. अपने आप को बिगाड़े ना एंड लाइक लव योरसेल्फ एंड ब्रिंग सम इंडिविजुअलिटी. बिकॉज जो भी ट्रेंड होता है वो पास हो जाता है. सो मोमेंटेरली शायद आप उस ट्रेंड को राइड कर लें, लेकिन जब वो पास होगा तो फिर then you'll go with it. So if you just sustain and stay yourself, then there's only going to be one face that's you.
And not
जो
just face,
हमारी
persona भी.
and look, and so you don't have to always fit in. मैं एक सही इंसान नहीं हूँ ये advice देने वाली because I never fit in and that doesn't always work in my favor. But I'll be honest, it also does. Because, you know, there's also that side of the public in the media and people who understand that I am who I am and my individuality works in my favor. You know, they can see past the facade and understand what's there. And I think so too. And that's a good thing. I'm grateful for it. It's not good to be like everyone else. So, मेरी advice है, if you want to be anything like where I am, which you might not want, but my advice is to stay completely true to yourself. Because at least you can look back and say you had integrity.
तो पहली चीज़ है अपने आप को पहचान लें कि आप
अपने आप को
कौन हैं।
पहचान लें and
पहचानना
stick
भी
to
तो
that.
ज़रूरी है ना।
Yes, because जब भी मैंने कुछ और बनने की कोशिश की है ना, वो दूर से पता चल जाता है.
हाँ.
And it just makes me look fake and it's just never worked out and I've been uncomfortable. So just really understand who you are और उसको dignity और integrity के साथ represent करें.
हाँ, it's
Stay
okay
true
to
to
get in
yourself.
trouble every now and then, लेकिन ये it's okay to get in trouble every
Just
now.
if you haven't slept, put your Twitter off and just don't give every opinion out. There's ज़रूरी नहीं थोड़ा filter लगा लेना चाहिए. I've learned that the hard way. Take my advice. Learn from my mistakes
if you can.
if you can.
If you can. Thank you, Ushna. ये
Thanks
बड़ी
so
candid conversation थी and I had a lot of fun and as you see we were like flowed into
It was
one
really fun. It
subject
was
into
really, thank you
another.
so much for having
Thank
me
you
on
for your
that.
time and good luck. I'm looking forward to seeing you as a cricketer on the big screen.
Yeah, I didn't. By the way, on a side note, when they told me they're like, you're playing a leg spinner, and I don't watch cricket, so I was like, is it a circus thing? कोई trapeze होगा?
Shabash.
So now I'm learning to leg spin.
Shabash.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Wish me luck.
we wish you all the
I
luck.
will do it justice. I promise.
Inshallah. Yeah, absolutely. We have
Thank
no
you so
doubt.
much.
We have no
Thank
doubt.
you so much.
Thank
Thank you
you.
for having
Thank
me.
you, Ushna.